Today I'm turning some attention towards my patio. It's become kind of neglected since I've been working in the garden. So now I'm going to try to enliven my plants as we get closer to the cooler weather. They'll do better. And so I'm going to enrich the soil. I've already put fertilizer and some bone meal and some worm castings in it. And this is some of the same dirt I was using to plant my plants out in the yard. So I'm putting my flowers, my house plants or my patio plants into them today. And we'll see how it turns out. Got a little bit of everything in here. So I'm separating my spider plant because it's become root bound. Been neglecting it. I put some of it over here already. And now I'm putting the rest. This is all the roots that were down in the bottom of the pot, of the other pot. So now I'm separating this pot. Okay. I also took some clippings off of plants in the house that I'm going to put in the pot together and make kind of a conglomeration of vines along with the spider plant. And I transplanted those yesterday. Cut some of this back and planted it in other pots. This one is almost dead, so we're going to see if we can revive it. And these are some that someone gave me. And I put them in this shallow pot just to see how they're going to do. Once they take root, then I'll put them into something else. But it's easy to transplant these plants. You just break a piece off, put it in the pot, and allow it to begin to root. And it turns into a beautiful plant. I'll show you as it grows. Stay tuned. Subscribe so you can see how they turn out. I add a little bigger row to my plants, some perlite, to improve the drainage. It works too. It would seem that just taking these plants like this, it would cause them not to grow, but I use this right here, Quick Start planting and transplanting solution. I mix it in a gallon of water, a cap full in a gallon of water, and it keeps the plants from going into shock, and they just continue to grow without dying. It's pretty cool, actually. Okay, I'm going to take another piece of this plant out. These over here. Take a piece of this out and add it in with those. You have to get all the way down to the root, otherwise it'll just die. So I go all the way down. So I got a piece of this out. I'm going to stick it in here with these pieces over here. Got one of the little roots, tubers that go along with it. I'll make it work. So I just cut little pieces of that off, and I will put that into this pot with this one.